Hi everyone, this is a live demo and walkthrough of the coffee shop management system project that was done as part of the final project for Python data management with Python course by ASAP. So this web application was created using the Python framework called Flask and SQLite database at the back end, and HTML, CSS, and JavaScript at the front end. So this is the basic view of the web application. So we have a main page where you can place the order, and another page where you can see the sales report. So let me walk you through this. So the first section is the menu section where you can see the 3 different menu items, and there is an order summary section. There is a today's sales section where you can see today's sales, and there is a remaining ingredient section. So currently this is the inventory status, and another section is there to add new units of ingredients, like you can purchase, is similar to like purchasing ingredients. So let's see how it works. So let's place some orders. So first we order some latte, cappuccino, like let's increase some orders like this. So as you can see, this is the order summary. It comes to $24. Now let's click place order. So you can see order is placed successfully. Let's generate today's sales. So the today's sales is like 54.50 because before recording this I already placed some orders. As you can see the remaining ingredients. Now it has reduced because we placed some orders, right? And yeah, so if you want to add some ingredients, we can do that. Let's add more sugar. When you click add ingredient, it will update the sugar, the value of sugar. Like that we can add each ingredient. Yeah, let's go to sales report. So here you can see the sales value of each of the menu item. Like we have total made sales worth $21 for cappuccino. For espresso we made around this much, and for latte we made $21. So like this you can see daily and weekly and monthly sales. Like because I already placed some orders before this, you can see it's different from the daily sales. Yesterday also I updated this, so that's why the numbers are different. So weekly sales and monthly sales are different from daily sales. So let's go back to main menu. So this is how it basically works. Basically the backend has SQLite database which has these different tables. Like there is an ingredient table, there is a menu item ingredients, which means like it will show what all ingredients constitute each of the menu items. Then there is like a menu item table. So I will show you by querying it. So you can see the menu item and the price associated with it. So the web application is fetching the data from this table. Also, like if you check the orders table, you can also see the orders, then order items, actually this database is not currently updated because I didn't update it after. Let me refresh it. Okay, once you have refreshed it, okay, I think it is not updated still. Anyways, so that's all for this database side. I can show you the code base here. So first there is app.py, which is like the main Flask application. In this we have set different endpoints and the different CRUD operations associated with it. There is a get post like that. Then we have a create database.py where we create the database tables and also insert the content, the initial content into the tables. Then we have a sales report HTML, which is the sales report that you have already seen. And yeah, this is basically the different components. I have created a virtual environment for this project so that it doesn't conflict with my existing Python packages. So this is the project that we have done. I think that's all for this demo. Thank you.